Unlock the power of Gemini directly from your terminal with the Gemini 25 CLI. Tired of navigating multiple interfaces to interact with advanced AI? The Gemini 25 Command Line Interface, or CLI, is your key to seamless, automated interaction with the Gemini platform, right from your command line. Let's dive into how you can leverage this powerful tool. Our first step is ensuring the Gemini CLI is properly installed, and configured. This involves obtaining the necessary installer and following a straightforward setup process. Once installed, you'll authenticate your access to the Gemini platform, linking your account securely so the CLI can act on your behalf. With your CLI ready, it's time to explore its capabilities. You can initiate various tasks by simply typing in familiar commands. Imagine generating creative text formats, answering complex questions, or even summarizing lengthy documents, all without leaving your terminal window. Each command is designed to be intuitive and efficient. You'll specify your request, provide any necessary context or parameters, and Gemini will process it, delivering the results directly back to your terminal. The real magic happens when you start automating. By integrating these CLI commands into scripts, you can build custom workflows. This means repetitive tasks can be executed automatically, saving you significant time and effort. Consider batch processing requests, setting up automated content generation pipelines, or even routine data analysis. The Gemini 25 CLI empowers you to build sophisticated solutions tailored to your specific needs. Mastering the Gemini 25 CLI opens up a new frontier of efficiency and control over your AI interactions, giving you the power to harness Gemini's capabilities with unparalleled command line precision.